Want to diversify your retirement portfolio with precious metals or cryptocurrencies? Well, you should know that there are scams and frauds out there, so make sure that you do your due diligence before buying from any company. Here at SophisticatedInvestor.com, we're here to help you decide by providing you honest reviews for each company involved in this space. And today, we've reviewed Regal Assets, one of the most well-known companies when it comes to investing alternative assets within an IRA. We'll tell you everything you need to know about Regal Assets, the great, the good, and the bad, and we'll share exclusive insights from real Regal Assets customers. Now, as you probably already knew, gold and silver are viewed by a lot of investors as insurance policies for your wealth. Historically, when the stock market crashes, gold and silver hold their value or even appreciate in value, as we've seen in the last 5 recessions. If you're near retirement age, investing in precious metals can shield your portfolio from market shocks and protect your retirement savings in the event of disaster. We emphasize the word can because no one knows what the future holds, right? And you shouldn't trust anyone that promises you future returns. Now let's get back to Regal Assets. With over 1,500 verified positive reviews on TrustLink, Regal Assets is one of the highest rated companies out there. The company's over 10 years old, which makes it one of the oldest, and longevity is a great sign in the industry, as many companies come and go. Regal Assets was founded by investor and entrepreneur Tyler Gallagher back in 2009. Tyler worked in the precious metals industry for several years before deciding to start his own company. His goal was to create a company that focuses on client satisfaction first, and he was actually one of the first in the industry to offer a free startup kit and DVD. As you might have noticed, the free kit model now has been adopted by most companies in the space, and Regal Assets has since grown into a global enterprise ranked by Inc. magazine as one of the top 20 financial services companies in the United States in 2013. Plus, Tyler's a member of the Forbes Financial Council and has been featured by outlets like Bloomberg, MarketWatch, and the Huffington Post. What we like most about Regal Assets is they offer a very wide selection of gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and cryptos, including the rare American Eagle coins, British Britannias, Canadian Maple Leafs, as well as bars and rounds. Regal Assets specializes in adding physical precious metals, including gold and silver, to tax-advantaged retirement accounts like an IRA or 401k, an RRSP in Canada, or a SIP or SAS in the UK. Now, the main advantage of Regal Assets over their competitors is that you can transfer funds from an existing IRA or 401k called a rollover completely free of charge. Plus, they charge zero in storage and admin fees for your first year. After that, it's $190 annually for a metals-only account, or $230 if the account is mixed with other assets, like cryptocurrencies, which they also offer. You might want to call them to verify the pricing, though, as companies are known to change their prices from time to time. In fact, Regal Assets sells 11 different kinds of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, for further portfolio diversification. If you want to add cryptos to your IRA, you can do that with Regal Assets in a fully insured, hacker-proof cold storage wallet. Shipping times are among the fastest in the biz, with a 7-day delivery guarantee on all metal orders. Now, we've heard of a few cases that unfortunately went over the deadline, but each late order was rewarded with a free silver American Eagle collector's coin. Regal Assets uses Brinks and Kingdom Trust, both of which are IRS-approved custodians and trustees to store your precious metals. They have over 100 secure vaults around the world, including Salt Lake City, Toronto, Dubai, and Singapore, so you can keep your assets close by no matter where you live. We'll be honest, we couldn't find many downsides to Regal Assets. One thing we didn't like is that you need a $5,000 minimum investment to get started. But honestly, that's about as low as you'd want to go if you truly want exposure to the asset class. Although we would have liked to have seen more collector's coins offered by Regal Assets, we were pretty impressed with their lineup of IRA-approved bullion. If you're a collector or a numismatic, you can try other services to see if they have what you're after. But the average retirement investor looking for quality bullion for their IRA has a lot to gain from Regal Assets. The best part is that the sign-up process is done completely online with no paperwork. Simply fill out their secure online form or request a free startup kit and wait for a Gold IRA specialist to contact you to finalize the setup and fund your account. In our honest opinion, we can't recommend Regal Assets enough. The older you are, the more you have to lose in the event of stock market downturn or collapse. Retirement investors should play it safe the closer they get to retirement age. Regal Assets helps you do just that by letting you easily add precious metals and cryptos to your IRA or 401k. Regal Assets provides a low-risk entry point for precious metals investors. Their fees are reasonable, their vaults are secure, and FDIC insured. And you can roll over funds to your IRA at zero extra cost to you. If you're interested, you can sign up for a free investment starter kit by following the link at the bottom of the description. Enjoyed this review? Make sure to give us a like and to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth investment product reviews. This way, you can get a balanced perspective on the latest investment products before anyone else. Be aware that this product does not guarantee that you will make a profit. Trading can be risky. Don't invest any sum of money you cannot afford to lose. It's always wise to speak to a financial advisor before making decisions regarding your investments.